guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, I of course have my monthly IPSY unboxing, unbagging, whatever you gals like to call this video. Of course, it's the March IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Thank you so much to IPSY for sending this package over for me to share with my audience and share what March's IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus was like. And let's go ahead and get into this video. I'll have a link down in the description box below where you can subscribe to IPSY, and then I'll also have all the products linked individually down below in case there's a product that you're specifically interested in trying out. There's some incredible products this month, and so I can't wait to share them with you. So this month's theme is Power Moves, and so as you'll see, this is like the color scheme that the glam bags are going for. So I'll have all of that in the description as well. And then I actually want to start out not with my glam bag, with this PR package. This month IPSY actually sent over some like merch items, and so I wanted to go ahead and just share those with you guys and share what I got. So they sent over some IPSY pens. This matches like my whole outfit. I tried to dress like with the theme, like to kind of go with the theme, so it matches this as well. We have these really bright, fun pens. They're just ink pens that say one word at a time. I'm a sucker for branded merch. I don't know, there's just something about it. Like, it makes me feel a part of the company or like a part of the brand. I don't know. I'm a sucker for branded merch. And then they also sent over this little sticky notepad. It just says Power Moves on it with the theme. So, just some fun little merch items this month. Here's what my glam bag looks like for the month of March. It's just this blue bag and it says Power Moves on it with this neon green zipper. I don't love the glam bag design this month. Power Moves, like, I don't know, it just sounds kind of like I just, nothing like cute about it or unique. It's just not my favorite bag, but I do love the color schemes that they're going for. So before we get into like the products that were inside my glam bag, this is supposed to go inside of my glam bag, but it didn't fit, so they just included it separately. And this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This is a huge amount of packaging for just a little product. I feel like it's a lot of product waste, but I feel like it's like that with most makeup products. I feel like maybe I've tried this mascara before and really liked it, and maybe it was like a different version. This one is, I'm trying to see like what size they included. Usually somewhere on the packaging it will say how many ounces. It doesn't say in this case, but this is in the color, it's just blackest black. Super black is what this one is. So it just has like a little like before and after and just some facts about the product. So I'm excited to give this product another try. So finally going into the products that were in my actual glam, actually all fit in here. So there's 5 products in the glam bag, so I have 4 more in this bag. The glam bag subscription is $13 per month. Well, I guess the next product that's in my March glam bag for 2022 is by Kinship, and this is the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. I actually received a product by Kinship. It was another mask type product from Kinship, just like a mint flavor, and I don't like that, so I gave it away. This is not mint, so I'm excited to look at this. So it looks like just a really small sample. It doesn't say what kind of flavor it is or like scent. I want to try this. I'm going to put it on right now. I already have like a gloss, so I don't know. This might be stupid, but ooh, it's like super moisturizing. I feel like it makes my lips look more plump. And I barely put any on because I just don't want to put like too much, you know? But maybe it's a power of suggestion type thing. I like this. And there's no flavor. I like that too. I like my products unscented and unflavored. So I'm really excited about this. So this next product I was really bummed about. It's by Pure Brazilian. I normally really like their products. This is the Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. And I actually really needed this today. My hair was, I didn't really plan on straightening my hair because I was running out of time, but it was like so frizzy today. So I really could have used it. It like leaked, so I'm going to have to throw it out, and it's a mess. But otherwise, I do really like Pure Brazilian products. The next product in my IPSY Glam Bag for March 2022 is by First Aid Beauty, and this is the Hydrating Eye Cream. This is one of the smallest products that I've ever received in an IPSY Glam Bag before. First Aid Beauty is not my favorite skincare brand by any means. I don't use any of their products just because I'm not a fan of the ingredients that they use in their products, but I do know of people who really like their products, and in general, I just don't use eye creams, even though I know I should. I just don't take the time to use them, so just really not excited about this product. So the last product in my Glam Bag this month is by, does it have the brand name on it? Oh yeah, Ciate London, and this is the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I love Ciate London highlight products. I feel like they're super, super underrated. They are really good and just give you a really good glow. I can't get over that lip mask. That might be my new favorite product. I'm excited about it. Okay, ooh. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it because, like I say, Ciate London, like, highlight type products, like anything glowy that they have, gives you, like, such a good glow. So let's go ahead and try this out. So here's what it looks like. Gonna go ahead and, yep. It didn't let me down. Like, it's so glowy. You can't even see it. It's, like, so glowy. I love it. It's, like, got, like, a pink undertone to it. This is so, so pretty. I'm excited about this. And it's also very smooth. So that's everything in my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of March 2022. Overall, it was a pretty good Glam Bag. Not, like, super incredible this month, but I did, like, 3 out of 5 of the products. That's usually, like, my average. Like, 3 out of 5 of the products that I'm excited about. So this lip mask, I gotta shout it out one more time. Like, it's so good. I'll have it linked down below. You need to check this out. I am a total fan. Very excited. So every month I share whether or not I like my IPSY Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus better, and I feel bad comparing them because they're 2 different price points, but to be completely honest with you, the past, I would say several months, I've actually liked my Glam Bag better than my Glam Bag Plus, just like the type of products that they've been including, the brands that they've been including, and liking the cheaper subscription option than Glam Bag Plus, even though IPSY sends me both of them for free. This month, I think, by already like glancing at the products, I think Glam Bag Plus is gonna take the win this month because there's just such good products that I'm so excited to share with you. So they also include a bag for the Glam Bag Plus, even though the products don't actually fit. So here's what the bag looks like for this month. I love the colors for this month's bag. Like, as you can tell, I try to like dress to coordinate with the theme for the IPSY bags, but I love the colors. Like, just super bright and fun for spring. I'm really, this is super cute. I wish the Glam Bag would have looked like this too. Usually I don't pick a certain product to share first, but this I have to because I was too excited when I saw it. This is by the brand Ali Oop. Hope I'm saying that right. I've never seen anything like this before, and I feel like I'm way late to the bandwagon here. And this is a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. So I'm so excited. It literally has 4 makeup brushes in one. It has a powder contour brush, a blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow and liner brush. And this one in specific is vegan, latex-free, and cruelty-free. So I have to see what this looks like. The first thing that came to mind for me when I saw this is travel, because makeup brushes is one of my least favorite things to pack when it comes to travel, just because I feel like they take up so much space. And so the opportunity to have 4 makeup brushes in one sounds very promising to me, and I'm very curious how this works. So here's what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. A lot of packaging here. So I think you have to like take it apart to like see the other brushes. It's gonna travel with me. So here's the angled liner and brow brush right here, and then you just clip it. You just twist this back on, and here's like the blush bronzer brush. I really like that. This is the sponge. I probably won't use this as much. I'm not a sponge gal. I prefer brushes. There we go. It's just really tight. There we go. The shadow brush. It's just a classic like lid eyeshadow brush. I love that. Ugh, I love that so much. This is gonna travel with me. Like, this is going to be my new travel makeup brush. Just because, again, it has, like, so many of the brushes that you need all in one. The next product that we have in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus is by Soul Clean, and it's the Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. This has a ton of ingredients, which I'm not super excited about. The ingredient for like a probiotic balancing cleanser, it just seems to have a lot of ingredients. So I'll probably pass this along to someone who will utilize it more than I will. But I'm gonna look into this brand because I'm just curious. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like they do have some really nice products. Okay, the next product I'm so excited about. I've heard really great things about this brand, but I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, and it's by the brand Saturday Skin. How many times did I say brand in that statement? Okay. This is the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. It's like a mask. I'm normally not a fan of this type of thing, but I do want to try. I don't like the ingredients in this either. That's a super bummer. I thought they were like a cleaner brand. Come on, skincare brands, get it together. That's super. Well, it says no parabens, no sulfates, no synthetic fragrance or color, but that's good. But it still has ethylene glycol, dipropylene glycol. A little bummed. Who knows? Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. I'm on the fence. But I do like the packaging. It's super cute. Here's what it looks like. Maybe I'll see like what other products they have from this brand. So I'll keep you posted if I actually end up trying this or not, if I can make up my mind. So we have 2 more products here. The next product is by RSLE, and it's just a thing of tweezers. You can never go wrong with a good brand of, a good pair of tweezers. I actually really like RSLE. I have a couple brushes from them and one other product that I really like, so I'm excited about their tweezers. I actually don't like my own brows or like do that because I'm too nervous, but if I want to get my brows done, I get them done at the Benefit Brow Bar inside of Ulta. Again, just because I'm too nervous to do that kind of thing myself. I don't trust myself to make it look good, but you can use tweezers for lots of other things, so these are good to have. I had to save one of the best products for last. This is a full size. I say full size, but everything in the Glam Bag Plus is full size, but full size eyeshadow palette. It looks like a new to me brand. This is by the brand Carmella Cosmetics, and this is the Defiance eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. These are beautiful. Here's what the colors look like. I'll go ahead and swatch a few of these. These are stunning. Okay, so the pigmentation is like pretty good. Some of them were a little bit hard to blend. I didn't swatch them all, but here's just a peek. I really like the formula of the matte shadows. The last shimmer shade was really easy to swatch, but the first 2, like, the pigment was like on it, so I'll have to play with this more and let you know what I think, but these colors are absolutely gorgeous and I'm really excited to try this. So that's everything in my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for March 2022. Both of these bags this month were incredible. There's so many products that I'm really excited to try. New brands, some classic favorite brands, lots of good things. It's one of my best Glam Bag and Glam Bag Pluses. Plus, again, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, so be sure to check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks again to IPSY for sending me this PR package, and I will see you gals in my next video. Bye!